I remember with fondness the times of my childhood. I used to spend most of my days outside, in the sunlight, in wild fascination with the environment around me. Playtime always in some way or the other meant interacting with nature. I used to have a habit. I used to collect the things that caught my attention. It could be small flowers or leaves or insects, anything that caught my fancy. And collecting these objects sort of helped me form an intimate bond with my surroundings. And this sort of, to me, acted as a manifestation of a memory in a physical sense. And this, combined with my love for science and experimentation, led me on to conduct a series of experiments wherein I could approach garment making in an unconventional manner. So in this collection, I have used biomaterials and processes that derive from nature. I've developed the prints for this collection using vintage photographic processes called the calotype and the cyanotype. These processes use simple chemistry to create beautiful imprints of any object of our choice onto a photosensitized base. I have explored by varying the exposure time as well as experimenting with different kinds of fabric bases. Also, hand painting the photosensitizing solution onto the fabric has opened up possibilities for me to explore different ways in which I can place the print onto the garment. To work alongside my textiles for this collection, I chose to work with bacterial cellulose. This is a biomaterial that is formed through a symbiotic relationship between bacteria and yeast. So the bacterial cellulose that I used for this collection also goes by the name nata de coco, and in fact it's served as a delicacy in various parts of the world. So this material has really good strength and it's quite pliable and has a hand feel similar to that of leather, and it is visually very interesting because of its natural translucency, and I simply had to see how to apply this in making garments. I have worked with tie and dyeing techniques with bacterial cellulose to see if I can come up with interesting variations. I have also experimented with different kinds of seams and different kinds of coatings that can be given to this material to make it more durable. In a nutshell, this is what the collection Synergens is about. At a time when the world is moving increasingly towards commercialization and mechanization, I wanted to highlight the kind of innovation that is possible in traditional processes. There is an undeniable sense of joy that gets intertwined with our work when we are working with our hands. At a time like this, when we are all stuck in a global pandemic and even taking a stroll in the park is something that's become such a complicated affair, this project and working on this project has truly brought me closer to nature, and ultimately this is what the collection is about. It's about allowing the wearer to carry a piece of nature with them wherever they go, to serve as a reminder to slow down and to be more mindful and appreciative of the world around us.